Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and let's begin today's practice. So let's stand up. Check your feet about hip wide open. Roll your shoulders up, back and down. Balance. Once you're ready, take your left leg onto the right thigh. Place your focus in front to balance. Palm together. Inhale. Exhale. Then inhale, bring your arms up. Shoulders down. Balance. Inhale. As you exhale, come down and change your leg. Balance. Once you're ready, right foot onto the left thigh. Palm together. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale, bring your arms up, palm together, and bring your shoulders down. Inhale. As you exhale, come back. Then bend your left knee. Grab your ankle with your hands. Balance. Again, put your focus somewhere in front or about 3 feet away from you. Then inhale. As you exhale, bring the left leg up, arch your back. Keep lifting and balance. Then you might want to slightly go forward. Inhale. As you exhale, come back. Change your leg. Balance onto the left foot. Bend your right knee. Hold the right ankle with your hands. Inhale. As you exhale, arch your back. Lift the leg as high as you can without any strain. And keep balance. You can also stand against the wall or by the side of the wall to get some more balance from the wall. Inhale. As you exhale, come back. Shake your leg. Then keep your feet about hip width apart. Bring the hands onto your thighs. Keep your chest out. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Forward, keeping the back straight. Shoulders down, chest out. Keep your neck relaxed. Keep breathing. And inhale. As you exhale, bend your knees. Push your hip back for chair pose. Once you're ready, bring your arms up. Inhale. Keep breathing. Inhale. As you exhale, bend forward, and this time try to touch your toe. Again, without hunch. Don't want to hunch too much. You can hunch slightly. Inhale. As you exhale, sit into squatting. Come onto your toe. And we are going to try crow to build our upper arms for arm balancing. So bring your knee behind your upper arm as you lift your hips up. Then you want to rock forward and backward. Rock back and forth to give the strength, build the muscles in your upper arms. Then, if you can, try lift one leg at a time to give a bit more strength to your upper arms. Then those who can only do this, then they can continue lifting one leg at a time. And those who can go ahead into full crow, go ahead, lifting one leg, breathe, hold the breath, and another leg. Come down, sit on your sitting bones, stretch your legs out, shake your legs, and bend your right knee. Hold your right leg with your left hand. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, twist to the right. Breathe. Inhale. As you exhale, come back. Change your leg. Bend your left knee. Grab your leg with your right hand. Left hand on the back, close to your back. And remember to keep your back straight. The higher your back, the better the posture gonna be. Then inhale. As you exhale, twist to the left. Stimulating whole of the nervous system. Breathe. Inhale. As you exhale, come back. Stretch your legs out, shake them, and bend your right knee onto your thigh. So your right foot is on your left thigh. Bring the hands on the shin bone or on the ground. Keep your back straight. Inhale. As you exhale, bend forward, keeping your back straight, chest out, shoulders down. Inhale. As you exhale, bend forward. Stay there. Don't need to push more. Do what is easy and what is comfortable in your body. If you can go further, go ahead. If you can hold here, that is good. And inhale, reach out, up and down. Change your leg. Hands by the side of the leg. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, exhale, forward. Inhale, exhale, forward. Hold and breathe. And inhale, reach out, up and down. Stretch your leg out, shake them, and bend your right knee again. And inhale, take your right hand and bring the arm up around your right leg. Interlock your fingers back side if possible. Otherwise, take a rope and grab the rope. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, bend forward. Try bring your chest towards the knee. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Change your leg. Take the left arm around. Interlock your fingers on the back. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, come back. Exhale, release. Shake your legs. And join the sole of the feet together. Lift your chest up. Close your eyes and shake your legs. Gradually stop. Then bring the elbows onto the ground. And then try to press your knee towards the ground, lifting your chest up at the same time. Do what is easy and comfortable in your body. Don't have to try push yourself. Try, if you can put the knee down, then it's good. If you can't, it's okay. Keep your back straight. Inhale, come back and lay onto your back. Then feet together, hands by the side. Use the core muscles to lift your both legs up. Exhale down. Keep your chin tucked to your chest. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Now beginners can inhale, lift the legs up and hold here. Intermediate and advanced can go and do shoulder stand with me. So push with your hands and elbows to lift your hips up and then support your back with your hands. Hold wherever you are, don't have to be perfect. As soon as your legs are up, that is good. Try not to move your neck. Eyes closed, breathe, and enjoy the asana. Shoulder stand, Sarvangasana. Excellent asana for stimulating the thyroid gland and therefore helpful in maintaining the weight. To come out of the pose, you lower your hip down. You can take support of your hands to slowly come down without falling, as slow as possible. And bring the hands under your body. Inhale, lift your head up, stand onto your elbows. Exhale, chest out. Top of the head on the ground. And inhale, lift your head up. Look at your toes again. And as you exhale, drop the body down. Shake your body. Feet apart, hands apart. Palm facing upward the ceiling and let go. Relax for between 30 seconds to up to 2 minutes. Whenever you're ready, slowly move your toes, fingers, hands up over your head. Give a good stretch to the body. Inhale and stretch, stretch. Exhale and release. Turn to your right. Take support with your hands and sit up. Keep your eyes closed. Sit quietly for a while and become aware how the energy movements is happening, the energy that you have gained throughout the yoga practice. And then gently open your eyes. Thank you very much everyone, whoever joined me for this practice, and I look forward to see you in my upcoming videos. Namaskar.